Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to walk you through a really useful trick that just about everyone using Google Sheets should know: how to take a screenshot and insert it directly into your Google Sheets document. Whether you want to save important information, share a visual reference, or just spruce up your spreadsheet, this simple method will definitely come in handy. By the end of this video, you'll be able to quickly capture whatever's on your screen and pop it right into your sheet without any fuss. Let's jump right in. First up, let's talk about actually capturing a screenshot. Most keyboards have a special button called print screen, or sometimes it's abbreviated as PRTSCN. If you look at the very top right area of your keyboard, you should see it hanging out there, usually above the insert or delete keys. When you press this button, your computer basically takes a quick picture of everything that's on your screen at that moment. It's kind of like hitting pause on your monitor and copying what you see to an invisible clipboard, ready to be pasted anywhere. And if you just want to grab the entire screen, everything you're seeing, one tap of the print screen button is all it takes. Now, once you've captured your screenshot, it's just temporarily saved to your clipboard, not as a file yet. This means you won't actually see anything happen right away. Don't worry if the screen doesn't flash or tell you anything. This part might feel a little invisible, but trust me, the screenshot is waiting for you, ready to use. Think of the clipboard as a short-term memory space for your computer, kind of like copying text or a picture. Next, let's get that screenshot into your Google Sheet. Head over to your open Google Sheet and click into the specific cell where you want your screenshot to appear. For example, maybe you want it to go next to some important data, or perhaps in its own section at the top of your sheet. Wherever you click, that's where your pasted image will go. Now you're ready to paste. Simply press Ctrl+V on your keyboard. If you're on a Mac, you'll use Command+V instead. Alternatively, you can click in the cell and choose Paste from the menu that pops up. Instantly, your screenshot should appear right there in your spreadsheet, easy as that. The image will show up floating above the cells, and you can drag it wherever you need it. If it comes in a little too large or small, just use the little blue corners to resize it so it fits neatly with the rest of your content. And that's really all there is to it. This method works great when you need to share a visual reference, capture an error message, or include important information that's easier to see than to describe. If your screenshot doesn't appear right away, or you accidentally miss the print screen step, just give it another try. Sometimes it helps to make sure your browser or Google Sheets window is in focus when you paste. Alright, I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. Taking and inserting screenshots in Google Sheets can really make your spreadsheets more dynamic and informative. If you got stuck at any step, don't hesitate to drop your questions in the comments. I'm always happy to help. If you learned something new today, give this video a like and make sure to subscribe for more easy, practical tutorials just like this one. See you in the next video.